You like bubble gum, chewing gum, any kind of gum? Well, boy, do I have the gum for you, especially if you're trying to live healthier. Bam! Natural gum. This gum made by Nathan and Sons is called Underbrush Gum, and it's the world's first natural and functional gum. Every single piece has ingredients that remineralize your teeth, meaning it helps rebuild enamel, fight microbes that cause plaque, and starves cavity-causing bacteria. So you're literally improving your dental health while you chew. Okay, now let's look inside. Comes in a nice package, and the only place you can purchase this package is on Nathan and Sons website or here on the TikTok shop. See my link below. Now, I did a lot of research on this gum, so you don't have to do so much. Now, don't get scammed by those other boxes that come from China and Japan. This one has Nathan and Sons on it. It's a 4-pack of gum. When you open it up, it has motivational words on it. Today, you decided to do something good for yourself. Now, I'm not sure if they are the same exact motivational words in every pack. If you use Nathan and Sons gum, please let me know if it's the same encouraging words. However, there's 4 packs in here. There's 1 pack missing because my son gave it to me and he kept a pack. But this one says, nothing can stop effort and time and consistency. Move it over. Progress, big or small, is still progress. This one is, let good decisions compound. I've only sampled the Mystic Mint and the cinnamon, and this one, the berry. And this is why we chose to get another one of the berry. Now, each one of the packs are going to look totally different, too, than the knockoff brands that people try to sell. So, again, make sure it has all the different encouraging words all throughout. Nice thick book. And then this part comes off. And on this side, you're going to see what the gum base is made out of right here on the side. And then on the back, it has a SKU code for you to scan to get more information. On the top part, it gives you the name, Nathan and his Sons, Underbrush Remineralizing Gum. It tells you the flavor on the back. So these are all the ways that you know the real from the fake. So that's why I'm showing you this all up close. Recommended daily, 1 to 3 pieces daily recommendation. How does it look, Melanie? I'm glad you asked. Well, it looks like a puffy rectangle. It's tan in color with little white flakes. All right, let me put it down and see if that helps you see it even a little bit better. All right, that's what it looks like. That's another way to tell the real from the not so real. All right, Melanie, how does the Underbrush Gum really taste? Well, look, the one I have is berry. Again, it looks like a little cube with little white specks on it. When you put it in your mouth, it is kind of hard. Again, this is for better dental health. And the reason why you probably want to purchase this gum in the first place is because you know that you need better dental health. So with that being said, a lot of us are suffering from loose teeth, chips in our teeth, cavities, periodontal disease, and I'm sure it's a plethora of others. But Mr. Nathan and his Sons created this so that we can have better dental health, help strengthen the enamel in our teeth. So while we're chewing it with the natural products, is helping to improve not only our teeth enamel, but also the gums, which is where periodontal disease starts. So upon chewing, And again, make sure if you have any loose teeth, you chew on the other side first because it is hard. If you are a gum chewer and you remember bazooka bubble gum, well, it has the hardness of bazooka, but then it does soften up. Now you're going to get a burst of berry flavor because that's what this one is, the berry flavor. And then once the gum becomes soft, then you can switch it to your other side where you may have a loose tooth and cavity. And I don't know if it's psychological or not, but it does something to me to know that I'm chewing for my dental health and that the gum that I'm actually chewing is made to improve my dental health. Happy chewing!